In this video, I'll show you how to get the quarter from a date in Microsoft Excel. And if you look here on the column A, I have a bunch of dates, and let me show you some steps that I would use to extract the quarter from this particular date. Now, if we take a look at them, August is from the third quarter, February is from the first quarter. You probably already know this, but in case you don't, the year is divided into 4 quarters, and each quarter has 3 months: January, February, March, Q1, and so on until Q4. So let me show you what I'm going to do to obtain the quarter in here. Now, the first step is to use the month function, which returns a month from a given date. We serve it our date, we hit enter, and we get 8. If you drag the formula down, you can see that this function works correctly. August is the 8th month, February is the 2nd month, June is the 6th month, and so on. To get the quarter that this month belongs to, we are going to use the same function again. I'm just going to paste it in here, but this time we're going to divide it by 3. And we're not going to get the quarter just yet. As you can see, I have 2.67, 0.67. Over here I got the quarter. June is from the 2nd quarter. We cannot use these numbers. We have to move to step number 3 and add the ROUNDUP function, which takes a number. We're going to give it the month divided by 3 number that we have, and the number of digits, we're going to say 0 digits, close the parentheses, hit enter, and now we have something. August is from the 3rd quarter, February is from the 1st quarter, and June is from the 2nd quarter. This is correct, but as you may already know, usually the quarter has a Q in front of it, and for that I'm just going to take the formula as it is, hit equal on the step number 4 column, and add some quotes and insert a Q in here, use ampersand, and then I'm just pasting my formula, and this will give me the quarter correctly: Q3, Q1, Q2, and so on. And I also have a bonus step in here. I'm just going to copy this, paste it, hit ampersand, add a space or even a dash, ampersand again, and I'm going to use the year function, which returns the year from a date, and serve it our columns from the left, close the parentheses, hit enter, and look at that. We have the quarter and the year. And if we hide this and drag everything down, our problem is solved. We managed to obtain the quarter from a particular date, and we managed to obtain also the year from that date, and now we have something beautiful in here. That's the video. If you learned something new, give it a like. If you have any questions, please leave them down below. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day.